Scales and stops on traditional miter gauges, and most miter sleds work great when you're cutting square. But as you adjust the angle, the distance between the blade and the end of the fence changes. Our new AutoScale Mitre Sled works differently. Rather than pivoting off a fixed point, the back fence is adjusted along a carefully machined spline curve which keeps the end of the fence exactly at the same point regardless of the angle you set. This means the scale stays calibrated to the blade at any angle from 0 to 60, and if you set a stop, it'll stay at that dimension at every angle.
The automatically adjusting fence is just one of the features of the AutoScale Mitre Sled that puts it head and shoulders above everything else on the market. Let's take a look at the rest. The table is made from half-inch thick solid phenolic. It will never shrink or swell with changes in temperature or humidity. The miter bar has 2 T-washers on the leading edge, which provides extra support when making wide crosscuts. It also has leaf springs that compensate for oversized or heavily worn miter slots. There are positive stops for common miter angles. Just slide the fence into position, push in on the pin, and lock it up. When you're setting any other angle, the protractor is large and easy to read and graduated in half-degree increments. The extruded aluminum fence is tall and rigid for solid support. The laser-engraved scale on the top of the fence is held to a tolerance of 0.04 of an inch total accumulated air over the length of the fence. The stop has a feature that fits back into the fence. This prevents sharp mitered ends from lifting the stop out of position. You can fine-tune the position of the stop with the micro adjuster. The fence will take the stop out to 27.5 inches. Then you can lock the stop at the end and extend it out to a full 50 inches. The end extension has a shelf to support the end of long workpieces. There's an optional drop zone table to fit beside your AutoScale to catch your offcuts. The drop zone is milled to fit our stealth stops. This arrangement makes it safe and convenient to cut multiple short workpieces. The left side AutoScale is the most popular. If you work with a lot of complex moldings or compound angles, you can add a right side AutoScale. The drop zone is perfectly symmetrical, so it works on either side of the blade with the matching AutoScale. A scale that works all the time, at any angle. A positive stop that won't let a sharp edge ruin your project. A miter bar that fits old saws as well as it fits new ones. A crosscut capacity of 24 inches on most saws. And a table material that will stand up to any rugged workshop. The AutoScale is the best miter sled you can put in your shop. Order yours today.